Welcome to this tutorial on using Expedia Virtual Credit Card. Expedia Virtual Card is a virtual payment method offered by Expedia that allows you to make secure and convenient payments for your travel bookings. In this guide, we will explain what Expedia Virtual Card is and how to use it. First, let us start with what Expedia Virtual Card is. Expedia Virtual Card is a unique 16-digit card number and expiration date that is generated for each booking. It is not a physical credit card and is only used for online transactions. To get started with using Expedia Virtual Card, you will need to create an Expedia account and make a booking. Once you have made a booking, you will receive an email with your Expedia Virtual Card details. The email will include your virtual card number, expiration date, and security code. To use your Expedia Virtual Card for payment, simply follow these steps. Go to the checkout page for your booking and select the Expedia Virtual Card option as your payment method. Enter your virtual card number, expiration date, and security code in the required fields. When making a payment with your Expedia Virtual Card, ensure that you use the same name and email address that you used when creating your Expedia account. This is to ensure that the payment is processed securely and that you receive your booking confirmation. It is also important to note that Expedia Virtual Card can only be used for bookings made on Expedia and cannot be used for other online transactions. Additionally, the virtual card is only valid for the specific booking it was generated for and cannot be used for other bookings. To ensure secure and convenient payments with Expedia Virtual Card, it is recommended that you keep your virtual card details safe and do not share them with anyone. You should also ensure that you only use your virtual card for legitimate bookings and transactions. In conclusion, using Expedia Virtual Card is a secure and convenient way to make payments for your travel bookings. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily and securely use your Expedia Virtual Card for your bookings. Remember to keep your virtual card details safe and only use them for legitimate transactions.